Business analytics to me, it kind of just means combining a lot of complex problems together and using the data to kind of help business decisions.
When we designed the curriculum as Carlson School, basically we tried or we did our research or the due diligence to make sure that the business analytics program is well designed. So more specifically, it will equip students with necessary tools, for example, R programming, Python programming, and in terms of machine learning techniques, in terms of classification, numerical prediction, clustering, and other type of machine learning methods. Whenever data is ready, how do we analyze the data? How do we extract the knowledge from the data? How do we see the causality of the data? And how do we interpret the data and eventually lead to the business actionable decision?
My favorite business analytic class that I've taken so far is the IDSC 3103 class. It's databases and modeling. And that was really cool because you kind of got to learn a lot about how to use SQL. And honestly, out in the real world, that's a really helpful tool to have. And I've seen a lot of internships kind of require that as one of the things that you need to know. And so just kind of getting a lot of hands-on experience just in SQL, but also learning all of the background concepts on like how to use it and what it all means and how it's super helpful with, data sets and real business problems.
Given that the environment, the society that we are living in a sense that AI is becoming more and more, common and popular and, commonly used, taking business analytics as another way to understand AI, to understand data, to implement your business from different angle, to provide additional decision making, data-driven decision making support is an additional dimension of your study.
I'm a part of Women in Business. I am currently Vice President of Data Analytics. And I'd say my favorite part of being on the board is being surrounded by a lot of other really, really passionate and strong women that are really there to kind of uplift each other. The data analytics role is super fun too, because I kind of get to see what events are doing really well, which ones aren't, and kind of how we can improve that in the future for students.
Business analytics nowadays is being widely adopted, so its job can be very, very wide. Wherever there are data, there are business analysts. So in a sense that as long as you encounter data, you can find a related job. For example, in those big IT companies, they are everywhere, and the business analysts are a lot of positions over there. So people may take the track of business analysts at the very beginning, or business intelligence engineer or data analyst, eventually go to become data scientist, principal data scientist, and becomes the kind of the technical aspect of data management.
This past summer, I was a sales operations data analyst intern, and that was honestly super cool. I got to kind of combine some of my majors here and work on a customer experience analytics project. And so that was super cool, just kind of figuring out how data can be used to help solve customer issues, their pain points, and what things we're doing well, what things we aren't, and really getting to use Excel, Power BI, and Salesforce to combine all of those data sets into some actionable recommendations that were super helpful at the companies. The business analytics co-major here has been a really big part of my experience, and I kind of hope to see you guys choose it as one of your co-majors, and I hope you guys get as much value from it as I did. So I hope to see you guys around.